Welcome back, guys. This is another bonus video for you for Revit 2022. If you are tagging walls, so select the tag, create similar. I can tag a wall, but you also have an option to tag multiple walls at the same time. So if I have a tag selected, there is this brand new button here for Revit 2022 where you can add a host. So if I select that, I can then select another wall, and then it would automatically show the wall of the same type. And you can also move this tag around and it would remain connected to those walls. So what if you have a scenario when you want to tag multiple doors? So if I select one of these door number tags and then I select create similar, I can tag this door, for example. Let's move this tag out of the way. And then again, I could add a host and tag this door. Revit automatically displays varies within the tag. This is set up in your project settings. You can go into your manage tab, and then under additional settings you can scroll down to the bottom and you have multiple values indication. So if you select that, you can display custom text or you can leave it as varies. For this project I'm going to leave it as varies and select OK. So let's change this tag to use the type mark. I scroll down in my list of tags and then let's choose number and rating. And so both doors are ID6 type mark and both doors are 60-minute fire rated. So that tag would automatically show that all the hosted doors are the same type. So if we add another one, for example this bedroom door here, that is also an ID6 door and 60-minute fire rated. And that's another excellent feature from Revit 2022. If you like the video, make sure you like, comment and subscribe down below, and I'll see you in the next one.